Meghalaya Weightlifting Association kalapalong ya Meghalaya Olympic Weightlifting Meet Men and Women ya kabalapenyat da Anastha Fitness Center AFC Don Bosco Youth Center haka arp kendai terik unaitung bat lalongkong san da ubak John F. Karshiying. Hashwaban sedang ya kejing kun organizing secretary ke Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ubak Donald Rimbai ulapashat ki kentin ai minsim bat ai jingmut ya kinong shimbenta ke ba kentup lang shinrang bat kentai. Hadin na shimti ya Rynsan da Reverend Father Michael Makri ubah ki kentin ai jingmut jang u ulapen kesan ba kejing ya kai sports ru kalong kawai nikilat yok kam yok jam bat bon niki kun samla ke juk menta ki kmi lenti tangai ke kam sorkar. Henry ki deban paidin shaki wei ki lat ai kam ai jam. Da kaba ai kublai kinong penyat kinong shimmenta bat kiwe uba John F. Karshiying ha kejing keren jang u la ai jingmut kinong ilek kai kumno bikin kiu shaprang ha kani kalan bekijit. Ha kabakun labishar bat rai di kinong penyat bat penbenai kinong job ha kani kejing ilek. Na ki kenhon ki kenthei ki bajab ha ki kedan beper ki kentup ya ka salvani sangma IA banati lingdo bat karisa hosana tho kat bana kalyang ki shinrang ki balajab ha ki kedan beper ki kentup yu Jeffrey Cardano Bob Daniel Pede u Fabriel lingdo u penchingan u habamut lingdo u yaikmen ki lingdo u bantay lang marwen u wan bahab yang thaba u Maximilus Rindongsngi bat u Kiran Biswa.
Representing Rynsan district. Snatch pass attempt 60. Good lift. Mereka kejap kecil ke movement lah soal good lift. Bertilap untuk kejap ke mungkin ke pon itu. Dina. Bila dah snatch semua. Tak. 1, 2, 3. Good lift down. So thank you. Mentaan lihat saya clean and jack. Clean and jack. Lift. Down. Clean and jack. Start. No. Let the session. Kembali kejap. Clean and jack. Good. Down. Play. Nak kita nak. Good defend. Snatch. Stop. Second, snatch. Down. Good lift. Down. Down. Good lift. Saya ada untuk pembubar kemudian. Second attempt. Miss identity legal. Down. Kamu bilang untuk Rynsan. clean and jerk. Down. Nicely like the jab. Comes again. 30 kg clean and jerk, no? Snatch. Last snatch, 30 kg. Down. Movement to the down. Come in there. Next time. Point clean and jerk. 40 kg snatch. No lift. Next one. Ready? 60. Down. Good lift. And we'll try that with a snatch. Ready? Spark it up, snatch. No lift. Last attempt, snatch.
Association of India. Sebenarnya dah dalam ini ide-ide yang kita lakukan jauh dari perjalanan ini berbuat dan sebenarnya Malaysia bergerak dan akhirnya kita siapa yang proses yang besar di price berat lebih di mana tu slow dan cut ini hari itu dia ada kerana kerja kerja crowd kita akan sen dan kita jadi ikut sama dari semua bahasa di Nepal.
Ya baru Mawser Shillong, all the athletes. I'd like to congratulate all the participants. I'd like to also thank the father in charge of Don Bosco Youth Center for allowing us to conduct this program. Also, I'd like to thank the Anastas Mundamski for his initiative to conduct this program under the banner of the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association. Also, I'd like to thank Askem Osiamoy, General Secretary of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, for inviting us to be here, and all the technical officials who are here. This is a start, and I hope we will be able to improve further. I'd like to only tell you the Meghalaya government, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, we are trying our best to ensure that all state associations participate in their respective sports actively. So in these last few years, you will know we revived the Meghalaya Games after 16 years. The second Meghalaya Games was in 2004, and we conducted the third Meghalaya Games in 2020 after 16 years. Then we conducted another one in 2022. Many challenges, many difficulties, but we went ahead. So in the third Meghalaya Games, we had only 14 sports in the third Meghalaya Games, and in the fourth Meghalaya Games in 2022, we had 19 sports, where we had weightlifting also, and then we had Northeast Games, where again we had weightlifting. So hopefully we will be able to, and now we're going to have again the Meghalaya Games in Tura, the 5th Meghalaya Games, and in Tura probably we will be having around 23 disciplines, which includes weightlifting. So of course the association, the districts, to kindly prepare themselves and set the best athletes for the 5th Meghalaya Games in Tura. We are also happy to tell you that we are having a special program under the Olympian Yan Campbell, Mr. Yan Campbell, the famous Olympian, 1980 Olympian. And he has also indicated that weightlifting is a huge potential in Meghalaya. And I'm happy to tell you that Mr. Robert Kabas, the famous Olympian, weightlifting Olympian, silver medalist in the Olympics, Commonwealth gold medalist, and so on and so forth, he will be visiting Shillong in August, as we have another program where we are training some other athletes. So at that point also, maybe we can interact with him, the state association, the athletes of Meghalaya weightlifting. If you inform, if you coordinate, we will have a special interaction with Mr. Robert Kawas in the next month. So once again, I also want to tell you that Meghalaya government, together with Meghalaya State Olympic Association, we have come out with the sports policy since 2019. So since 2019, the sports policy is there, but unfortunately there was this COVID for 2 years, lockdown. So now, whenever I get a chance, I try to inform everyone that you have a sports policy, and please download this in our Meghalaya State Olympic website. It is there in Google if you check. So in the sports policy, towards the end, there is a cash awards. So there are cash awards for medal winners at state level, regional, northeast level, national level. So very good cash awards are there in the government of Meghalaya for those who perform, who win medals. Number two, there is also preparation by the government to bring in coaches. So we are right now also working with, because for the elite pathway program, the super elite program, we are very shortly engaging a weightlifting coach, qualified weightlifting coach. So association can also benefit from that. You know, we are at a very final stage of engaging, contracting a weightlifting coach, qualified NIS coach for the super elite. But maybe we can also utilize them to also coach our existing associate. So these are the few things which we are having in our mind, and I'm very sure the infrastructure is under construction in Tura and in Pururant, the Jade Stadium. So which will take another 1 year and a half. Once that is ready, we will have a proper place to train, to practice, and there are many things which the government is supporting. I want to also inform you Meghalaya government, Department of Sports, has started what is called a program Yes Meghalaya. So can you check the website Yes Meghalaya? It is a program to support a club, a society between 50,000 to 1 lakh. You can benefit if you have there are only two conditions. That society has to be 3 months old and 50% of the members have to be below 35 years old. So these are the two criteria there. You can apply for any programs under Yes Meghalaya. So with these few words, I once again congratulate the RSS Rynsan for initiating this program. Meghalaya Weightlifting Association for conducting this program, the technical officials, and finally I have to once again express my sincere thanks to Father in charge of the Don Bosco Youth Center for allowing us to conduct this program. Thank you very much.
Men kategori kaya sama Maximilius Rynsan. Hai satu besar. Tak, tulis dong bismillah. Kalau minta, dapat lapor ikut sama dong dan dan sendiri. Tak, tulis dong. Pada di Zimbabwe aku, ay sebab apa? Di agar dikepoi, engkau sedang yang sama ada sesuatu, bona yang kita sebut board of tax.
Ya berat, keperawan ini. Kami Kynsai sebagai Presiden Jeneral Thei, Jagar Syekh, Sekretari Jeneral MBA Mawser, dan Vice President Mawser, lagi Sandip, Judge, atau Ariston, Manbar Nongsi. Kami chairman जो मैंने का commission बा diploma का के akhirnya ya baru di Parawan banyak sebentar ni wata pula perform bahkan wata taruh sa pusat next time no sistem nak nega jumjuna anak sistem sendiri dan organize sistem no kemudian tapi mentar di level ni kita long tu itu nak kerja ne pin làm work sisi cái weak point cho people thì làm long over the top mo best player mentra kan ka sing apa itu lara do tapi men lara do Maximus Rynsan and the category jadi women lara dari Sarah sama best player the next time sapersya Mati dan ini banjak. Okay, untuk tengah ini di national level pun kita akan try. Okay, so kali ini tentang just a small competition. Okay, mungkin lah akan ayo, mungkin lah perform ya. Okay, kita level jadi dan mudah. Kan kita ini kita competition ya baru. Kita bakal dilihat di mana ni, kita sudah kan. Bapak itu ya.